Hi, I'm Mark Stewart with Bird Culligan Ford. We would love the opportunity to earn your trust by creating a world-class ownership experience through all of your maintenance and repair needs. Our Quick Lane sets itself apart with its simplicity. This team specializes in routine maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, multi-point vehicle checkups, brakes, alignments, air filters, wiper blades, new tires, and more. When you come for your first visit, pull in the big doors and we'll handle the rest. We service all makes and models for a one-stop approach for your family or business needs. Adjacent to our Quick Lane is our service center. Our dedication to training allows us to have the most Ford certified technicians in the area. In fact, we have 3 master certified technicians, Ford's highest technical repair recognition. When your vehicle needs repair, our expert team is here to help. Pull into the big doors and our friendly service advisors will greet you. Just like with Quick Lane, you can schedule your repair comfortably from your phone at home or work at bkford.com. And finally, in the event of an accident, we are here to take care of you and your vehicle. We accept all insurance and work on all makes and models. You get to choose who repairs your vehicle, and our team of expert technicians is your best choice. We will get you back on the road looking like new in no time. We are so excited to welcome you to the BK family. We look forward to building that lasting relationship with you and can't wait to see you soon. BK Ford, experience better.